Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer real estate into a family trust using Northwestern Mutual step by step clearly. To transfer real estate into a family trust using Northwestern Mutual, begin by confirming the type of trust you wish to create. Consult with a financial advisor at Northwestern Mutual to ensure that creating a family trust aligns with your overall financial strategy. Gather all necessary documents related to the real estate property. These documents include the property deed, tax records, and any existing mortgage agreements. Next, consider the specific terms of the family trust, including the beneficiaries and the trustee. Work with your Northwestern Mutual advisor to draft a detailed trust document that includes these terms. Once the trust document is prepared, it needs to be signed and notarized. After the trust is established, it's time to transfer the property. Contact your local county recorder's office to obtain the appropriate forms for the property transfer. Complete these forms accurately, filling in details about the trust and the property. You may need to pay a recording fee when submitting these forms. Once the forms are completed and fees are paid, submit them to the county recorder's office. After processing, the property deed will be updated to reflect the family trust as the new owner. Confirm that all documents have been correctly processed by reviewing the updated deed. Follow up with your Northwestern Mutual advisor to ensure that the trust is integrated into your overall estate plan. Make sure to keep copies of all documents related to the trust and the property transfer. Regularly review the family trust to ensure it continues to meet your family's needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.